Now I wanted to find a way to get YouTube, Netflix, whatever onto the screen on the JQ J7, and I think I've done it. If you've got a wired Apple CarPlay and you want to upgrade to a wireless system, then this is going to be the video for you. But also, if you have a wireless system and you want to upgrade some of the features that your current Apple CarPlay has, then again, this is for you. So you want to be checking out REEIIO. They have sent me their Magic AI box. And I've had it before in previous cars where you've got to plug in the cable every single time to get Apple CarPlay, and it does get a little bit frustrating, especially if the cable gets loose and it disconnects. So this is going to resolve those problems. Inside the box then, we do get the Magic AI box, and it's got like a nice carbon finish to it. You'll get two cables, one's a USB-C to C and the other one is a USB-A to C. And then lastly, user manual. The Magic box itself, one side has a USB-C port and the other side has a SD card, so you can put your own SD card with music and videos if you want to, but obviously 99% of the time you won't need to because you've got the Apple CarPlay system. Simple as C to one end. Now I'm in a 2025 JQ J7. This has got a USB-A and a USB-C slot. I'm just using the USB-A for now. Now the box itself has a little red light on it. That's to say that the power is going to the box from the car. It's going to take anywhere probably 10 to 30 seconds for the system to recognize the car and then connect, and then it's going to come up with a blue light on the box that tells you that it's connected. As you can see now, the screen is automatically turned over. It's got Android in the middle. Now you can put that little box under there and forget about it. It does mention in the user manual that it may turn the system on and off. That's just it reconfiguring to the resolution and the size of your car screen. And so now the good thing with this system is it's got your Apple CarPlay, but also it gives you the ability for like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, other social media apps like that. And for me, the JQ J7, that's what it was missing. It's got a massive 14 odd inch screen, and yet I couldn't have any form Netflix or YouTube on it to watch. And that's why I was interested in testing out this to see how it looks on the screen. Now I appreciate the J7 screen orientation isn't the best, but it's better than just watching something on my phone. Now to start with, connect Apple CarPlay, go to your Bluetooth and then look for auto box. And then this is FD93. There we go, pops up straight away. Pair it. And there we go, it's connected already. Now this has just replaced my original car Apple CarPlay. Everything works like normal. Yeah, I mean, it's exactly the same, and that's how easy it is to set up the Magic Mini box. But for me, like I said, I want to look at things like YouTube. So now when you connect over to YouTube, the system cannot do CarPlay and YouTube, Netflix at the same time. It can do one or the other. And also, to allow it to have the internet, you then need to go into your phone hotspot and connect the phone hotspot to the system. For that, you go into settings, top one, network internet, turn the Wi-Fi on. Just pops up a warning sign saying, yeah, you can't do Apple CarPlay and Wi-Fi at the same time. You're like, yeah, no worries. Phone hotspot's on, and there we go. It's found the phone hotspot. I've connected it. Now we can go back to that first screen. I must say my personal internet connection here isn't the greatest where I am at the minute. And there we go. You've got YouTube on your car. For someone like me, I do a lot of traveling in the car, a lot of sitting and waiting to pick up the kids, etc. So having something like this where I don't have to take my iPad or watch on my small phone screen is absolutely perfect. Netflix is exactly the same. You just go in and just log in. I'm not going to do that. I did test it earlier and I can confirm it does work. I have seen in, I think it's a BYD car, their screen rotates so you can pick which orientation it is. That would be amazing to have in this, because then you could whack it around, watch your Netflix in full 14.8 inch screen or wherever this is. And then when I go to Apple CarPlay, you literally press the button, give it a few seconds, it will then disconnect off your Netflix or YouTube and then connect straight away back up to your Apple CarPlay like that. And now you're good to go. Well guys, that's it. A really quick and easy way to upgrade any Apple CarPlay system, whether it's a wired or wireless, from 2017 to newer. The Magic Box is going to set you back no more than £30. If you want to grab yourself one, there will be a link in the description box below. You can get a 22% discount using the discount DSR22. And there we go guys, you asked if you could get YouTube and stuff on the JQ J7. Well, I found the solution for you. Hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. And YouTube has recommended these videos just for you.